In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the color fill on your shapes in Google Slides. So I have here this shape and you can see the background color or its color is here. But I'd like to go ahead and remove this color fill. This is very much simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to do this, just head over to the shape and then head over to this color fill here. Now to remove the color or the color in the shape, go ahead and click on this transparent. Now if I click on transparent, now you can see I have removed the background color in this shape and now this shape is transparent. So you can go ahead and now customize the border by clicking on this border color. If you want to change this border color, you can also do the same and the color will be applied. If you want to make the border lines thicker, you can use this border weight here and you can choose even times 4 and you can see this will be a good borderline. Now you can use this as a frame when you resize it and fill in your slide as you wish. So that's how you can remove color fill on your shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.